Alright y'all, Uncle Coot. Today we're gonna be making biscuits. Buttermilk biscuits. So good. Just like we used to have in East Tennessee. Come on over here, let me tell you what you need. Now you need a dirty pan. And not a clean one. If you use a clean one, it won't turn out right. It's gotta be all used up and sticky and nasty, just like this one, alright? Then you're gonna need some buttermilk. It don't have to be good, it could be spoiled. You're just gonna shake up them lumps real good. Some buttermilk, yeah. You're gonna need some Crisco. City folk for Crisco, for city folk. Mountain folk, we use lard. Alright, like that. Sifter, you don't have to sift it, but it makes them nice if you do. And a bowl. This is my bowl. It's been in the family for 35 generations. Come over on the Mayflower, I'm told. It's a religious experience just to hold it, all right? So, here's what you do. You come over here to your oven, and we're gonna put it on bake, and you gotta have the biscuits hot. So we're gonna go 475. Get the bake. Now we're gonna let that be warming up. Make sure ain't got the moonshine in there. That'd be a mess anyway. So we got here's some flour, but it needs to be self-rising. Don't use self-rising flour, and you just make them like I'm gonna make them today. You're not making biscuits, you're making rocks, okay? So we want biscuits. If you want them to be nice, use this. Now this holds about 3 cups. Now I know some of you city slickers gonna say, well, do you have a recipe with all the measurements? No. That's why I'm making a video. If I had a recipe, I could just print it out and mail it to you, okay? So you're gonna watch how to do this, all right? So you're gonna take your flour, you're gonna dump it in here. Okay. Fill that sifter up. That's about 3 cups. Then you're gonna sift it right here in your bread bowl. Now you can use a Tupperware bowl if you want to. It won't be as good just because I said so. But we're gonna sift all this in here. And I like to use a little bit more. That's 3 cups about. Let's do another, I don't know, how much is that? That much right there, see? All right, now you know. That's about 2 more maybe. It don't really matter. You'll see that in a minute. It don't matter. You're asking, you know, if you have to ask how many cups that is, and you can't tell by looking, you might not need to be in the kitchen, okay? You just go down to Hardee's and buy your biscuits, or buy them frozen ones or something. All right, anyhow, we're gonna make them biscuits though right here in this pan. So we're gonna kind of make a little. I like to call it a volcano crater, but anyway. Some people call it a whale. Some people call it a hole. I just call it right there. Just make something looks like that right there. And then you take some Crisco. We're gonna use some Crisco, about like that. I'm gonna make about 6 biscuits or so. So that's about 6 biscuits worth. All right. So if you want to measure it out, here's what you do. Now there's 7 biscuits worth. See how that works? That's 7. All right. I'm gonna put that in there like that. Now, while your hands are all messed up, that Crisco, it's time to get something on the pan. You're gonna put that on the pan. Oh, and another thing, you don't even have to wash your hands. 475 degrees is gonna kill every germ that you can put on it with your hands. I'm kidding. No, you might wanna wash your hands, really. All right, here we go. Now, see how nice and shiny that is? It looks just as if it was clean. That's why it don't matter if it's dirty or not, okay? You're gonna make it clean when you put that lard and Crisco on there. Now comes the fun part. We're gonna pour in. Now watch, come in here real close and watch this. So you might want to say, how much buttermilk do you use? Well, depends on how much lard you got. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pour it in here enough to where that's about the size of my Crisco, plus a little. See that? See how that worked? Now, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take that Crisco. I might need a little more milk because I can tell it's gonna need a little more milk. There we go. Now, you're just gonna chop it up a little bit, get them Crisco pieces about the size of what? Oh, about the size of that. Yeah. That's why we're doing a video. I don't have to write this stuff down. Now, we're gonna start mixing. See how we're mixing this here? And it's just gonna start getting these biscuits ready, and you don't wanna mess with them a whole lot. Let's pour a little more in here, and put a little more in here. Yep. All righty. And let's see. Get this done here. All right. Yep. Now you want them wet. You want them wet. We're just gonna keep working them around a little bit and squishing them around a little bit, bringing some more flour in. Now see how they start to clump together and stick together, and you can move the whole pile of it. You start moving the whole pile. Yeah, and then you see how it rolled over on you? Oh, this is gonna be good. This is right here. See how they're rolling over them? They're getting all kind of crumbly and stuff. My goodness sakes. All right, so now they're still all loose and wet like. So what you do is you take some of this here flour, you put it right here in your sifter. You say, well, now what you doing that for? Well, just wait a minute. All right, so now we're gonna get it out here. See how fancy that is? I learned that on a cooking show. We're gonna get this dough, and we're gonna flop it. If you don't, you gotta flop it. Don't pick it up, flop it. All right, now, see how that works right there? All right, so we're just gonna turn it. Now it's starting to stick a little bit. That's okay. Here's what you do. You take some more of this flour, just go ahead and scoop you up some, and do this number right here. See that? That's the anti-stick way to do it. All right, and put a little more on top of here, and we're gonna fold and press and fold. That's 3, 4. Now I can only count to 4, but I do it twice. So that was 4, 1, 4. And here's another. There's 1, 2, 3. All right, and we about, all right, 3, 4. So that was 2 4s. I don't know what that is, but that's 2 4s. Now that's there's your biscuits. Ain't that nice? Man, now, here's what you need. So some people roll them out, some people just use their fingers and pinch them off and roll them, and all that's fine. I want them all the same size. So you got different cutters. This one is the big one. This one is the little one. This makes little biscuits. This one is in the middle. Well, you don't have to have a cutter. You can use an old mason jar ring if you want to. I'll tell you something else you can use. I can get one of these right up here. It's Tweety Bird glass. It has to be Tweety Bird. No other glass but Tweety Bird. You're not making biscuits. You're making a mess. All right? You cut them right out. See? I try to get them about as tall as this here silver on this cutter. See right there? See how that's just about that thick. Just about that thick. You can make them thicker if you want to, but I don't want to, so I'm not going to. And you just kind of cut that biscuit out, and watch this. Oh my goodness. Cut this biscuit out. Oh, now watch this action. Just press. You don't have to twist it, and then use this finger right here. See, watch this. Bam. Oh, Uncle Coot. That is awesome. All right, here we go. Boom. So now what? Now what we doing? Look how, oh, these are going to be nice biscuits. So we take and fold this again. Fold this again. Fold this again. You don't need a rolling pin when you got 2 of these. Don't need no rolling pin. Put that silly mess away. All right. You don't need that. It's just crazy mess. Here we go again. So we're doing this little thing. Here comes Uncle Coot's a little bit. Yep. Uh-oh. What happened there? What happened there? It's sticking to the table. All right. That's all right. We'll get your thing up. Oh, there it is. Ah. Yeah, baby. All right. So don't leave me now. Stay with me. Don't leave me now. You're gonna stay with me. Get these last few cut out. All right. Let's see if we can smash this, and smash it down like that. Pump it up here like this, and yeah. Let's do another one. Look at all these biscuits. All these biscuits. And remember now that Crisco wasn't about like that. Remember that? Look at all these biscuits. Oh, I think we can do one more. What you think? Yeah. Boom. Look at there. So now how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 twice plus 1. So that's 4 twice plus 1. I don't know how many that is. That's that many. Now, what are we going to do with this little bit right here? We normally feed this to the dog, but he's afraid of Uncle Coot, so he's not in here right now. Anyhow, we'll make a little baby biscuit like this. That's going to be a little one. Cut that out. And I'll tell you, there's a spot right there for him. Perfect. That's it. So our oven is all ready to go. So we're gonna open that up. Yep. We're gonna put that in there. See how it goes right in the middle, and then shut this door. We're gonna set a timer. Watch this. We're gonna set a timer. We'll set it for 15 minutes to start with. Boom, 15 minutes, and then we're gonna check them biscuits after 15 minutes. All right. So while we're waiting on that, I'm gonna wash my hands, clean up some of the mess, and then we'll come back when these biscuits are done, and you gonna wish you could eat one. I will tell you. All right, now that them biscuits are in the oven, we're gonna do a little cleanup here. So I'm gonna show you how we do that. Just go out to the garage and get your putty knife. All right, and it don't have to be clean. No, it does. I'm kidding. Just scrape this mess up like this. See there? How you scrape it, and put it right back in this bread bowl. All right, and now we're gonna get the lumps out of it. We're gonna put it back in the bag. Just heap it up right here like this. All right, see? She gets it all heaped up, and then take this right here. It's called a sifter. Then we're gonna sift it. Don't use the little agitator. You don't want your wire all gommed up. And see here, look what we got all that right there. The little spot right there. So what you can do, now watch. Now this is where it's gonna take practice. Making the biscuits is easy. This right here, this is the hard part, all right? You gotta be ambidextrous, all right? Whoa, because there's all of it. Not wasting a bit. That's what you want to get out of there. We're going to put this back in here. First thing I like to do, just take a big old, use this like a big old scoop. Piles right up in there. Piles right up in there. It goes right back in the bag. You do. Whoop. Make it like a flour mohawk. See that flour mohawk? Yeah, make a mohawk right there. Watch this. Whoa, man, that's it. Then you put your flour away till the next time. I don't like worms and bugs in my flour. We got worms and bugs real bad. I just put it right here in this, and then you don't have to squeeze the air out of it, but I do, because that's what I do. There ain't no other reason, just because I do. All right, dust that bottom off. Look at there. Are you ready to go? All right, y'all. These biscuits are done. Oh, look at there. We got them brown around here. Now watch this. You know it's a good pan. Look at there. Didn't none of them stick. We're gonna put them down right there. Wow, look at that. And they just pull apart so pretty. Wow, woo! They are hot. Woo! Yowza, yowza, yowza. Okay, so how do they look inside? Come in. Come in here and I'll show you. Oh my goodness. Some gravy, or some honey, or some jelly, or some preserves on them things right there. My goodness, they are so good. Well, I hope you learned something today. Hey y'all, do me a favor. Click like and subscribe and tell all your friends about Cooking with Coot. I'll teach them how to make their food happy.